Hello, Professor Candido here with another example from Chapter 2. This is the challenge I gave you to take the total number of minutes and then determine how many whole hours and whole minutes it is. So notice at the top I have this thing. Do you remember what it's called? I'll wait a moment while you gather your thoughts. If you said named constant, you nailed it. Down here I say how many minutes is your class or work shift in whole numbers, and we put it into a string. We then take that input, because remember input, this goes out to the screen and it's put in as a string here, and then we convert the S input to an integer and put it to here. Does anyone know, well I guess it's just you, do you know how we can make this into just one statement? Yep, I'll show you right now. All you have to do is grab this, cut it, put it between here, and we can change input to be input and convert in one spot. And we save ourselves a variable. We don't need S input. Then what we do is we do, what kind of division is this? If you said integer division, that is correct. We divide the total number of minutes entered, such as 120, divide it by the named constant minutes an hour, which is 60, and we should get 2. And down here, we do modulus, which is the remainder, as a whole number and goes here. And we put out to the screen the total minutes that were entered. Minutes is out, and we tell them with the hours and minutes. This output here is exactly the same output as here, but done differently. Notice I put this out, then I have a comma. Then I put this string out, and then a comma. This variable, a comma, this string, comma, this variable, this string. Another way to do it is concatenation. Instead of having the commas, you can do a plus for concatenation. The only thing you need to do is, because these are integers or numbers, you need to convert it to a string so you can concatenate them. You could do it this way or you can do it this way. The choice is yours. Let's run it. I'm going to save my changes because remember I consolidated the input and convert it to 1. So I'm going to enter 120. And 120 minutes is 2 hours and 0 minutes. Notice the output's the same because I show you 2 different ways to do the output. Let's run it again. Let's do 75-minute class, 1 hour and 15 minutes.